everybody. Today I want to share with you a contest that I entered via MacStories.net, which is you get to submit a shortcut that you've built either on the iPhone, iPad, or macOS now that shortcuts are available on macOS. Mine is called Travel Ready. This is the title here, and this is the link where you can get it. It will be available in the description of this video, and the only app that it requires that isn't on the iPhone by default is the Kindle app. So I wanted to share this little contest entry that I'm submitting right now, and I'm gonna submit it, and then once I submit it, I will transition to show you how I built the app. It's really quite simple. So here is of course the description, and here's the submit button, and I'm gonna submit it right now. Alright, so here's my submission, and hopefully I can win, although mine is pretty simple and I don't really think it's gonna win. Nonetheless, I'm gonna go and show you how I built the shortcut just for this video. Alright, I will see you guys after the transition. And let's go into shortcuts to see how I built my simple travel ready shortcut that you see right here. So now we're going to go into shortcuts. I'm just going to search for shortcuts. This is the shortcut that I have now, but I'm going to be done with it. And I don't know if I can close this and be done. Yeah, because it's right here. 3 actions. Okay, so now we're going to build a new shortcut, but we're not going to save it. Or actually, I am going to save it and say travel ready video. Okay, so we're going to hit the plus button on the shortcuts application under all shortcuts, and then we're going to say add action. First we're going to name it actually. Let's say travel ready video. Right here's video. And then we're going to add an action. We're going to say type battery as the first category that we're going to look into. Here, I'm going to say set low battery mode. Low power mode, I should say. So it has turn low battery mode on, and then we're going to do the next action, which is I'm going to type in airplane and set airplane mode, and it's already set airplane mode on. And then we're going to do type launch. I'm going to go to apps and then type launch. And go down here to open apps under scripting. Then once that's there, we're going to go to app and hit Kindle. And there you go. And that is the app, and it should be ready to go from this point on. And then we're gonna go to hit this blue button right here and set add to home screen, just so you can see it by default. And I'm not going to bother changing the icon or the color because I've already added it previously. So now I'm going to hit add and be done. Now we're going to try to run it. I hope this works because I didn't actually test it before submitting. So we're going to try it now. We're going to hit the travel ready video shortcut. Yep. And it worked. And this is my library for shortcuts. Okay guys, that's all I have for today. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below on what you thought of my MacStories shortcut submission. Alright guys, I will see you all in the next video.
Thank you.